Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to keep your Microsoft Teams status set to available by creating a meeting with yourself. So let's get started. So first, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and sign into your account if you haven't already. From the left-hand menu, you can click Calendar. Then at the top right corner, select Meet Now. So give the meeting any name you like, then click Start Meeting. Now, once you're in the meeting by yourself, make sure your microphone and camera are turned off if you don't need them. So you don't need to invite anyone else. You can minimize the meeting window and continue using your computer as usual. So the trick here, as long as you're in the meeting, Teams will typically keep your status active instead of switching to away due to inactivity. Now, to manually change your status, you can click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select your current status and change it to available. You can also set duration. You can reset status in here. You can set status message. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.